Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Dr. Sheth's body lotion. This one is Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and Vitamin C body lotion. Quantity is 200 ml and the price is 349 rupees. Offers are available on the Dr. Sheth's website. Buy one get one or buy two get two sale. Also, it is available on the Nika. You'll get little bit discount there. Now see what it claims. It is non-sticky and non-greasy formula which intensely moisturizes and brightens the skin. It is designed for daily use with the glycerin and unique ingredients that lock in moisture and ensure 48 hours skin hydration. It is also formulated with hydration boosters like ceramides that nourish and soothe the dryness from deep within while softening and making the skin supple. It also contains dullness and whitening ingredients like as vitamin C and amla extracts, which helps to fade the dark spots and discoloration over time, which results into even out the skin tone. Let's see the features. Non-sticky body lotion designed for daily use, dermatologically tested. How to use it? Just take the 2-3 pumps of the lotion and apply all over the body. Massage in a circular motion. Use extra on dry areas such as elbows, knees, feet. It is made in India product. Now this is my honest review. I have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. This body lotion didn't irritated my skin. It suits me well. The consistency is on thicker side. Creamy, lightweight texture, non-greasy formula. Use it after shower immediately to get the more benefits of vitamin C. This calms down my irritated skin so well. I had tried this when I had got the red rashes or allergies from the body wash by other brand. This just repaired that, but it didn't improve the pigmentation. Didn't see that much difference. Not that much hydrating or nourishing, but moisturizes little bit. I have also tried the lactic acid body lotion from the same brand. I have shared the review. You can check that. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.